Why is nobody talking about this? Right now, there's a hidden niche exploding across YouTube and TikTok, and it's pulling in insane numbers. I'm talking about one YouTube channel racking up millions of views just by posting in this niche. And there's also a TikTok account that gained 125,000 followers with only 20 uploads. The crazy part? This niche is monetized. One creator is already pulling in around $8,000 every single month. Now, here's the best part. You don't need to spend endless hours editing videos. I'm about to show you how I pulled this off in less than 2 minutes using a brand new AI tool. All it takes with the right prompts to generate a full channel, plus drama-packed scripts that keep people glued. And guess what? I've already created these prompts for you, and I'm giving them away completely free. So stick with me till the end before this niche gets overcrowded. Welcome to Cam AI. Here's exactly what we'll be building in this video. I'll break it down into 4 ridiculously simple steps. Step 1, we'll use ChatGPT and another AI tool to create a unique channel name and a professional-looking logo. Step 2, I'll show you how to generate bold, attention-grabbing scripts using my exact prompts, the kind of scripts that instantly separate your channel from the crowd. Step 3, we'll use AI to turn those scripts into full videos in minutes. And finally, Step 4, I'll walk you through how to monetize quickly so you're not stuck waiting months to see results. Trust me, once you see how effortless this is, you'll understand why I call this niche a goldmine. So let's start with the basics, setting up your channel. Remember, when you're creating faceless YouTube content, your name and logo are literally your personality. If they look generic, viewers scroll away before you even get a chance to impress them. Instead of brainstorming for hours, we'll let ChatGPT handle it. I've prepared a Google Doc with all the prompts I'll be using in this video. It makes the process simple and beginner-friendly. You'll find the link inside of my Discord server, which I've dropped in the description below. Just copy the first prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and within seconds, you'll have a list of creative channel name ideas. Pick the one that speaks to you and let's move on. Next, let's create a logo. For this, I'll use Leonardo AI, but you're free to use any image generator you prefer. Simply grab the second prompt from my prompt sheet, paste it into the generator, replace the placeholder text with your chosen channel name, and adjust the settings. Choose FlixDev as the model, set the aspect ratio to 1:1, and hit generate. Fast forward a few seconds and boom, you've got multiple logo designs ready. Pick your favorite and just like that, your channel already looks like a real brand. That entire process took less than a minute. Now, here comes the most critical piece of the puzzle, the script. Most creators fail here because they rely on boring prompts like choose any car brand and then wonder why their videos flop. If you want your content to go viral, your scripts need to be spicy, a little controversial, and designed to trigger comments. So we're going back to ChatGPT. Head to the last prompt in my Google Doc, paste it in, and hit enter. Instantly, you'll get engaging, thought-provoking scripts that make people debate in the comments. That's how you engineer virality. And if you don't like the first output, just click regenerate. It'll give you a brand new batch of fresh scripts. No overthinking, no wasting time. Now that your script is ready, you could edit everything manually, or you could save yourself hours and let Tessa AI do the heavy lifting. This tool was literally built for creating viral shorts in minutes. Once you sign up with the link in the description, you'll land on the dashboard. From here, scroll down to the Guess What I'm Thinking video feature. This is where the magic happens. Start by choosing the characters for your video. I'll pick this one. Next, you can customize the intro text if you want. It'll be narrated at the start of the video. For now, I'll leave it as is. Then you'll add your sets, the question, the correct answer, and the spoken answer generated by ChatGPT. You can even insert extra narration during the timer, like reminders to like or subscribe. Plus, you can set the difficulty of your questions, which makes your videos even more addictive. Once that's done, just click Add Set and repeat for as many as you need. When you're finished, hit Move Forward. Here you can style your subtitles, choose fonts, add shadows, bold, or strokes to make them pop. Then in the video section, select your background. To avoid copyright issues, Tessa even lets you use a green screen background to add your own footage later. For this example, I'll go with a Minecraft backdrop. Finally, click Export Video, and within minutes, your video is ready to download. Here's mine.
If I'm talking about you, you're eliminated. Let's start with the first test. You are eliminated if you always yawn when someone in front of you is yawning.
The second test. If your favorite color is orange, you are eliminated.
The third one. If you have more than 80% battery, you are eliminated. If you have less, you may continue.
Pretty attention-grabbing, right? Let me know in the comments if you'd watch a full series of these. But listen, uploading your video to YouTube is just step one. If you want to get maximum results from day one, repurpose the exact same content on TikTok and Instagram Reels. Same video, zero extra work, but triple the reach. That's how you dominate faster. And don't forget, the free prompts I'm giving you are designed to create scripts that outperform 99% of the competition because they lean into trending hot topics. Pair those with a strong brand name and logo, and you'll be monetizing faster than random faceless channels. In just a few minutes, we built a viral Guess What I'm Thinking video. This niche is still wide open, it's fun to create for, and it's incredibly profitable. You now have the blueprint, the prompts, and the tools. The only thing left is for you to take action. Grab the Tessa AI link below, join my Discord to get all the free prompts, and start building today. And hey, if you found this valuable, smash that like button and subscribe to Calm AI. Every week, I drop brand new AI tools, trending niches, and faceless channel strategies that nobody else is talking about. Next week's niche is even crazier, and trust me, you've never seen anything like it. See you in the next one.